Welcome to the Brass Synergy bot. In this demo, we are going to show how quick and easy to install and use the Brass Synergy bot. Let's head over to the official website bot.brasssynergy.com and then invite the bot. Choose a Discord server and make sure to choose the correct Discord server. After reviewing the permissions, let's authorize. The Brass Synergy bot should be now on your server. You can check it over in the Integrations tab in your Discord server settings. Now let's make one category and 2 channels inside that category. You can name it whatever you want, since the Brass Synergy bot will auto-name itself once we're done with the setup. Let's go back to the first channel and type in !category command to set the category permissions and name. After that, let's set up the first channel permissions and name and type in !job listings. Then you want to go to the second channel and type in !chat with bot to finish up with the setup. For the Brass Synergy bot to work, you will need to turn on direct messages in your server because the bot will start to have a conversation with you. Let's test out the Brass Synergy bot. Click on the button called Chat with Brass. Type in /submit_job and fill out the rest of the details. Make sure to double-check the summary and click Yes to confirm the job post and list it to all servers. The job post that you created should be available on all the servers that it's in. Here's an example of all the job listings that are currently live in the Brass Synergy bot. Thank you, and more features are coming in to help freelancers and your community members.